Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, and Adab, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry for the distraction, but घर में है तो ऐसा ही होता है, we can't help it. So let's begin. So as kids, we have always heard about this brand. My childhood was all about this brand. Yes, the Nivea. That do you remember that blue colored dabba which our relatives and anyone who went to Gulf used to get the cream white wala? Yes, we are that obsessed from that time. So Nivea has always been like a trusted brand for me because maybe I was associated with it from a very long time from my childhood. So abhi to wo, there are a lot of other products. So I thought I'll show you a few products which I brought from Nivea recently, and for 6 to 7 months I'm using, and I thought I will share with you guys those products. So let's start. But before that, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends about my YouTube channel because why not? It's free. So let's start. So pehle I will show you the product which I'm using it from a very long time. Ignore the tube. बहुत गंदा हो चुका है. This is a hand cream from Nivea. I'll just show you the texture. Just look at this texture. Just it's a hand cream basically. So you can just put it on your hand. It nourishes your hand, makes your hand very smooth, और it smells divine. Nivea का smell तो मतलब mild and fragrance बहुत ही अच्छा है, not very harsh. So this is infused with the glycerin and aloe vera. It has a great shelf life of 2 years, and price also I think it yes price is 90 rupees, which is great. 90 में और क्या ही मांग सकते हैं. I'm really sorry for the interruption, but let's be raw. तो ये मेरा one of my favorite products, 24 hours moisturizing, and बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा. 90 rupees, great. Second product is the Nivea का lotion जो खत्म होने को है. I'll show you this as a cap. ये देखो इसकी हालत ऐसी हो गई है. I'll just show you the texture. बहुत ही मिल्की है. You get a lot of varieties in this. Okay, मैंने जो लाया है वो natural glow cell repair with SPF 50. So अभी ये भी हाथ में ऐसा लगा लेंगे. Just put it on your hands. I'll put it on my legs also. You can put it on your neck, wherever you want. So smells divine. No need to tell. और इसका price is 330, but you can get online. I brought it from a local store. ये भी खत्म होने को है, तो I have to get a new one. Good, I remembered. उसके बाद third product, the Nivea का Pearl and Beauty. This is my second bottle. एक bottle मैंने खत्म कर दिया है. It has two varieties. One is this one, Pearl and Beauty. Then there is one more which I used to use, Glow or something like that. This has 72-hour active protection. It is 249 rupees, which is not bad. It has a roll-on thing. Just look at it. You can just put it on your. Smells divine, man. I love this. I love the smells of Nivea. कौन से भी लोकल स्टोर में मिल जाएगा, टेंशन नहीं लेने का. You will get it everywhere. It's very pocket friendly, cost effective. Go for it. उसके बाद I brought these two Nivea का डब्बास from DMart sometime back. So let's start with this first one, which is Nivea Soft Peach. ये face, body और hands का moisturizer है with vitamin E and jojoba oil. Okay, so I have used one. ये ऐसा आ जाता है. Okay, it's very very वो blue वाला मिलता था ना बचपन में, same one, but it has a little bit. It's 200 ml का rate कितना है? It's a little pricey, 449, but you can get for 300 in online. So I love this bottle and packaging. I've used this up. I'll give you one small tip, okay? If you're buying any product like a big tub and you're not sure whether it works for you, small जो packs होते हैं जो आपको online नहीं मिलते, you'll get it on local stores. I brought this 30 rupees का छोटा से एक आता है. I forgot where the डब्बा is, just empty. तो मैंने लाया था और एक फ्लेवर, नॉट फ्लेवर, क्या बोलते हैं, वेरिएंट में. So I found it well. Then only I went for. You can always try small trial packs. और उसके बाद there is this one which is berry blossom. ये भी है, but jojoba and vitamin E. सेम है बट द वेरिएंट, सो ये दोनों है. दिस इज ऑल्सो आई थिंक 449. Yes, ये 449 का थोड़ा कॉस्टली है तो. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज यू कैन यूज इट फॉर योर बॉडी, फेस एंड हैंड्स. डे नाइट दोनों बार यूज कर सकते हो. सो ग्रेट. सो ये जो निविया के प्रोडक्ट्स आई टोटली रिकमेंडेड बिकॉज मोस्ट ट्रस्टवर्दी ब्रांड, द ओल्डेस्ट ब्रांड वी हैव इन इंडिया एंड व्हाई नॉट. सो और भी है इनके फूड क्रीम्स हैं, इनके बॉडी जेल्स है. ओके, आई ऑल्सो हैव यूज्ड देयर बॉडी जेल, शावर जेल्स, और लिप बाम है, दैट्स ऑल्सो ग्रेट. सो totally a thumbs up. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and peace out.